Yo, what is poppin', everyone? It's your boy Noah here, coming at you with a brand new video. Today we're at the massive Norton Skatepark, and this quarter pipe with the coping that sticks out way too much, actually kind of enough. We're doing a double up on my bars, my new ones that I've only done once. Here's Rishik. I don't know what he's doing. See, he's gonna be filming me.
I'm gonna be recording
This bozo.
Hey, I'm not a bozo.
Yo, guys, look at the sun right now. It looks amazing.
Too hard.
No, because it shouldn't get too high. You gotta do something like more gradual.
I'm literally sitting on the bank right now. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, let's go.
Good.
Woo! Let's go.
There's the scooter. There's Noah.
Let's go. All right, guys.
We're gonna plug myself. Now, if you haven't already, go down below, subscribe. It's a free W. All you have to do is click one button inside easy. Also, right down there, sure. Also, right down there, you can hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Also, right down there, you can hit the like button. It really helped me out. I really appreciate it. So, subscribe to my friend Marcus. He's making pretty good videos. He's actually getting a channel soon. Okay. Oh, my bad. Anyways, I thought I wasn't recording there, but anyways. If you want to watch another video, there's going to be a video right here that you can watch, and I'm going to choose which one because whatever. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace out.